Hello, succulent lovers and green-thumbed friends. Welcome back to Succulents Box's YouTube channel. Today we're focusing on a festive favorite, your Christmas cactus. There's something magical about waiting for those buds to bloom during the holidays. But what happens when those buds, or even the flowers, start dropping before you get to enjoy them? Don't worry, today we're going to dive into why that happens and what you can do to stop it. First thing first, it's super important to tell the difference between normal shedding and something more concerning. It is totally normal for older flowers to drop off after they've fully bloomed. However, if your buds are dropping before they even get the chance to bloom, or if flowers are wilting far too early, then it's time to start paying attention. Let's take a look into the 6 most common reasons your Christmas cactus might be dropping its buds and flowers. The first reason could be environmental transitions. Christmas cacti thrive in consistent conditions. And when you suddenly shift their environment, like changing light or temperature, they get stressed. When the plant is adjusting to a new environment, it might shed buds as a coping mechanism. So if you've just moved your plant, give it time to adjust. Place it in a spot with stable temperatures and indirect light, and it should settle down in a week or 2. Next up is lighting, super important for a Christmas cactus. If your cactus is getting too much direct sunlight, especially during the hottest parts of the day, it can scorch the leaves, causing stress and bud drop. On the flip side, if your plant isn't getting enough light, it won't have the energy to sustain the buds. The sweet spot for a Christmas cactus is bright, indirect light. If your room is dark during the winter, consider getting a grow light to give your plant the boost it needs without exposing it to harsh sunlight. Overwatering is one of the most common issues, and it leads to root rot. Root rot prevents the plant from absorbing the nutrients it needs, so it sheds its buds to conserve energy. But underwatering can be just as bad. If the soil gets too dry, the plant goes into survival mode and drops its buds. The trick is to keep the soil slightly moist, but not soggy. Water thoroughly, but let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. The next reason for bud and flower drop could be poor soil quality. If your cactus is sitting in dense, water-retentive soil, it can lead to root rot, which in turn causes the buds to fall off. A good cactus or succulent mix with perlite or sand to improve drainage works well. Additionally, check the pH of the soil. Christmas cacti prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. If the soil is lacking in phosphorus, which helps promote blooming, the plant may drop its buds. Over-fertilizing can also cause stress by creating a buildup of salts in the soil, which can damage the roots. Another big factor to consider is temperature. Christmas cacti thrive in stable environments, and they don't like sudden temperature changes. Buds will start dropping as the plant struggles to maintain stability. These plants also prefer moderate humidity levels. Low humidity can cause the buds to shrivel up and fall off. If your home is particularly dry, try placing a humidifier near your plant or mist it lightly every few days. Finally, pests like spider mites and mealybugs are common culprits when it comes to Christmas cactus bud drop. These pests feed on the plant's sap, which stresses the plant and causes it to drop buds. It's important to check for any signs of pests or disease regularly and treat them quickly. A little insecticidal soap or neem oil should do the trick for pests, and improving drainage can help prevent root rot. And there you have it. Those are common reasons your Christmas cactus might be dropping its buds and flowers and how to avoid these pitfalls. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.